You know, you're worked out. The whole week, is, like you said, is packed with activities, and this is the time to relax, come together, exchange information, and have fun. We made it earlier this time. It starts at 6 till 2, and it's called the Flirtatious, the Red Dance Festival. We chose festival because we're going to have many activities. The age range is from 18 till above. So yes, you're allowed to come with your wheelchair. Yes, we have the space that you can come with your wheelchair. So everybody, when I say everybody, everybody's welcome. So do not feel that if you see fun, oh no, Flirtatious. Yes, I know, Flirtatious, the parties, but this is for the good cause. This is for the HIV week. This is for the Red Dance Festival, and we wanted to do something different, something that everybody can come to. And we have Denny Yanga, we have local DJs, Chris, Houston, and Jeff. And the themes, disco, house, so you can wear your shoes from the 60s and the 70s, the 50s, if you have those still. Wear dress up, wear something extraordinary, wear a unicorn if you want to, because that seems to be the fashion right now. And come in. Nobody's going to look at you strange, trust me, because we're going to like, oh, awesome, you know, cool. Dare to be different, dare to be something else. You want to wear a mask so nobody can recognize you? You're allowed. Maybe just show a bit like we know who you are. No, just kidding. You don't have to. But the most important part is that it's $10 at the beginning. Right now, get your tickets at $10. And at the door, it's going to be $20. The vending points are going to be Ancas, One Stop, Bondrigo, and Sorobon Beach, and at the members of EQ. So you can also send a message to us at the EQ Bonaire, and we can get you tickets. We have this offer. If you can sell me 10 tickets, then you get that your entrance is for free. But then you have to message me that you want this offer. Then send us a message on Facebook, and this can also be arranged. But the bigger the group, the better. And make sure you come with comfortable clothing, because trust me, there's going to be carnival crew, belly dancing, sports. So if you want to wear your sports clothing also, it's also welcome, because we have HFC also in one corner. We have bodybuilders in one corner. We got the surfers. We got local celebrities. We got David Lee with the kickboxing. And did I mention Daddy Yananga? Ooh, let me not forget that one. We got him also on that night. So for the girls that adore Daddy Yanga, come. You're welcome to join. We got karaoke. So you can sing your heart out to any Titanic song you want. Yes, the local classic. And yes, we have many activities. So it's going to be a surprise even for us. And the whole night. So if you want, come early, because the early bird gets the worm, as they say. And come enjoy this and let us know how you're doing. And if you're going to like it or not, for sure you're going to like it. So my advice to you, don't miss this.